Do you want to learn how to create rose quartz water? In this video, I'll explain the benefits of drinking rose quartz water and guide you through a step-by-step process to doing so. I'm George Lizos, and I empower lightworkers with tools and guidance to find, follow, and fulfill their life purpose. If you're ready to follow yours, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm also excited to announce that my new book, Lightworkers Gotta Work, is now available to order globally on Amazon. In the book, you'll get to discover your life purpose and empower yourself with tools, processes, rituals, and guided meditations to follow and fulfill it, with the aim of creating big, positive change in the world. I'll pop the link for it in the description below so you can check it out. Rose quartz is the ultimate love stone. Its heart-opening qualities will help you deepen your relationship with yourself and other people, and therefore it's an excellent crystal to work with to harmonize all your relationships, including friendships, family, and romantic ones. Speaking of romantic relationships, this is the go-to crystal for manifesting your ideal partner. Although simply holding the crystal or being near it is a great way to benefit from its energy, taking it in the form of rose quartz infused water allows you to embody its essence in a deeper and more powerful way. As a trained crystal reader, healer, and elemental space clearer, I've worked with rose quartz and other crystals for over 15 years to help others and myself to experience healing and personal transformation in many areas of their lives. Specifically, I've used rose quartz water to heal after breakups and losses, to deepen my relationship with myself, and to manifest new relationships, and so have hundreds of my clients too. I'm excited to help you do the same in this video. By the way, I have an entire video series on crystals that you can check out by clicking the link in the description below. You'll learn the different crystal meanings and uses, how to charge crystals, how to create crystal elixirs, and my go-to crystals for manifesting love, peace, and abundance. Before I share with you how to create rose quartz water, let me first explain how crystal-infused water works. And I'll start with this. Water is a conductor of energy. Therefore, it can easily hold, receive, and transmit energy. Being such an important component to our well-being, given that we're made of 70% water, infusing our water with crystals is a powerful way to charge ourselves with certain energies and intentions. This idea was popularized by Dr. Masaru Emoto in his New York Times bestseller, The Hidden Messages in Water, in which he shared how our thoughts and consciousness can affect the molecular structure of water. In a similar way that we can infuse water with our thoughts, we can also do so with crystals, plants, metals, and other substances, and therefore benefiting from their energetic medicine. Okay, now that you know what rose quartz crystal can help you with and how rose quartz water works, let's talk about making it. All that you need to create your rose quartz water would be a glass jar or bottle of mineral water and a rose quartz crystal that you've previously washed and cleansed. If you want to learn how to cleanse and charge your crystals, be sure to check out my How to Charge Your Crystals video by clicking the link in the description below. The process is simple. You place your rose quartz crystal in the jar or bottle and you let it sit there for at least 3 hours. If you want to charge your water with additional frequencies, you can either leave it to sit under the full moon or the morning sun. The full moon's light radiates balance in masculine and feminine energy, and therefore when you charge your rose quartz water under the full moon, you amplify its capacity to help you find balance in all aspects of your life, particularly when it comes to relationships. Alternatively, the morning sun's light is energetic and motivational. It awakens your life force energy and drives you to take forward action and towards creating change in your life. And therefore, charging your rose quartz water under the sun will amplify its capacity to help you overcome procrastination by taking action and completing whatever it is you're working on, especially when it comes to harmonizing relationships. When you're done with this process, the rose quartz water will be ready for you to enjoy. To get maximum benefits out of this, be sure to drink it slowly and mindfully while visualizing the energy of the rose quartz expanding through your physical body and your aura and tuning you in to the frequency of the crystal. In the same way you use rose quartz to charge your water, you can also use other crystals to do so. However, it's very important to understand that some crystals are toxic and therefore not safe to come in direct contact with water. Therefore, before you use any other crystal to infuse your water, be sure to do your research first. Okay, what do you think? Are you excited to start making and drinking rose quartz water? And have you ever tried crystal infused water before? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about the best crystals to use to improve different areas of your life, I've created a free guide to choosing crystals for different areas of your life that you can grab by clicking on the link in the description below. If you're ready to take a step further on your spiritual journey by finding and following your life purpose, then be sure to check out my #1 best-selling book, Lightworkers Gotta Work. It's available to order on Amazon and all online retailers in print, digital, and audio formats, so be sure to check it out. You can get even more guidance on crystals in my free Facebook group for Lightworkers, Your Spiritual Toolkit. It's full of trainings, prompts, and guidance from others and myself to guide you on your path. If you feel called to join us, I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. I hope you've enjoyed this, I hope you've learned something, and I hope you're a step closer to learning how to work with crystals. Please let me know in the comments any questions you have about crystals, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.